May Mendoza update. Yung post ni May sa kanyang Facebook account. May nodal pa nga ni May na endorsement yung Vivo B50 Lite. Ayan, ang ganda ni May. At twinny pa nga sila Bossing at May. And outfit nilang Paper Barons. Yun o. Happy birthday kay Bossing. Saka ito pa yung post ni May sa kanyang Instagram. And outfit niya, solid. Sa Instagram filter at play. I see me IG has some cute, very millennial filters, you know.
I'm Maine and I'm wearing Golden Goose Co. Arts that I got from Korea.
Outfit.
I am Arza and I'm wearing Golden
Army.
Goose.
I'm such a big fan of Golden Goose, that's why they're here.
Yeah, it's my favorite.
Yun o. Yung mga golden goose sila. Kaya pala sila napunta doon. Saka ito pa post ni Dean Mendoza, ang kapatid ni May. Na-sweet pa nga ng mag-asawang Min at Ardo. Nakasandal pa nga si May sa panikat ni Ardo. Yun o. Ito pa yung IG story ni May. May baliktaran na ice cream. Saka singing queen. Saka birthday vlog ni Bossing. Yun o. May birthday. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more update. This is Victory Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.